Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W wind turbine generator, designed for versatility across 12V, 24V, and 220V applications, represents an intriguing option for those considering harnessing wind energy. This vertical axis wind turbine features a 3-blade design that can efficiently capture wind energy from various angles, making it suitable for locations with shifting wind patterns. The generator's construction is notable for its robust materials, which aim to withstand various weather conditions. The vertical axis design differentiates it from traditional horizontal turbines, offering several advantages, including a lower center of gravity and reduced noise levels during operation. This makes it a potential choice for residential areas or locations where noise reduction is a priority. One of the key features of this turbine is its 18,000-watt capacity, which positions it well for a range of applications, from small residential energy needs to larger setups. The ability to operate on different voltage systems 12V, 24V, and 220V adds to its versatility, allowing users to tailor the turbine's output to their specific requirements. In terms of installation, potential users should note that the turbine may require a suitable mounting structure, as well as proper electrical connections. It is important to have a clear understanding of local zoning laws and regulations regarding wind turbines, as these can vary greatly by location. Proper placement is also crucial to maximize efficiency. Areas with consistent wind patterns will yield better results than those with sporadic gusts. Users should also consider the maintenance aspect of the turbine. Regular inspections of the turbine blades, electrical components, and overall structure are essential to ensure optimal performance over time. Understanding the dynamics of wind energy can also aid in setting realistic expectations regarding energy output, as it is inherently dependent on environmental conditions. In conclusion, the 18,000W wind turbine generator presents a robust option for individuals or organizations interested in wind energy. Its vertical axis design, combined with its significant power capacity and adaptability to various voltage systems, makes it a noteworthy candidate for renewable energy generation. As with any energy solution, careful consideration of installation, maintenance, and environmental factors will contribute to its overall effectiveness and longevity.